Hi there, students. Querulous. Querulous means complaining, moaning, whinging, always unhappy about something. Yeah? So if somebody's querulous, they are full of complaints. They're always unhappy about things and they're always criticizing them and moaning to you. Notice querulous could also describe an attitude or a manner. So he could have a querulous voice. Yeah? So the way he's talking, it's whinging, it's complaining, it's whiny. Yeah? Maybe like a petulant child or something like that. Yeah? His querulous demands, he's continually claiming demands. So if somebody has a demand, if they want something, please could you give me this? But maybe if you're querulous, why isn't there any water? There really should be some water. Give me some water. This is querulous. Yeah? They could have a querulous tone in their voice. Okay? So querulous, it means complaining, moaning, unhappy with the situation. Yeah? This is a good word to write. It's quite a formal word. Yeah, it's not the usual run-of-the-mill word that you would use while talking to your mates. This sounds literary and is a really good word for your CPE writing, for example. Yeah, so his querulous demands, his complaining demands. Yeah. If somebody is querulous, they're always complaining about things. They don't like the way things are and they're perpetually telling you, this is bad, I don't like this, change it. Yeah? Okay? Oh, come on, change it. You can't keep it going like this. Yeah? So, luckily in the comments section, there are very few querulous voices. You're normally all very polite and very appreciative. Yeah, so querulous, maybe the opposite is appreciative. This comes from Latin. I think probably querulous, complaint, and then from query, complaining. Yeah, so this one comes directly from Latin as well. Okay, so if somebody is querulous, they're whinging, they're moaning, they're always unhappy about things. Yeah, and this could describe this attitude or this manner, who's somebody who's never satisfied, who always wants more, who always wants something to be different. Okay, and like I said, this is quite a formal adjective. Yeah, maybe 6.5, even 7 in formality. Yeah, so not for an informal chat with your friends or an informal email to your mate. Okay, so querulous, complaining, moaning, whinging. Anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Querulous. And I think this is the last of my QU words.